am about to try on my 3D printed Spike suit for the first time. I have been working on this big hunk of crap for almost 2 months now. So this is really like a make or break scenario for me right now. I have no idea if it's gonna hold up once I take all that freaking paper out of it. If this doesn't hold up, I will have wasted the past 2 months of my life. It's now 2 hours later. The sun has set. Okay, I think it's time to actually put this thing on. I'm scared. I'm really scared. I'm really nervous and I'm really scared. I get the freaking pants on. Bro, oh my gosh. Help me. Help me. It's stuck on my hair clip. Oh, get off. Oh. I can't do nothing. This is kind of heavier than it looks, so my pants keep sagging down. Oh, hello everybody. I am in a Spike suit. Okay, let's get on to the actual intro now, please. Today I am wearing my 3D printer. Well, not the actual printer, but you get what I mean. I printed almost 500 pointy death pyramids on my Bambu A1. That's about 4 pounds of filament, around like $50. In addition to almost 100 hours of print time over the course of 2 months. This was the worst idea I've ever had. And this is as much as I can bend my arm to hold the mic. No, I will not be taking my electricity bill into consideration because I prefer to live in blissful ignorance. But let's go back in time to before I transformed into what aliens would think a porcupine looks like if they only had a written description. Making the digital model of these triangles was actually the easiest part. I literally just went into my printer's printing app. I added 3 different pyramids in slightly different sizes. Oh, and this human body heat map thing I've got going on. I don't know. I just thought it would look cool. It's giving more like Minecraft chest plate. And now I present to you a super satisfying montage of me cracking every pyramid off the build plate. That's a lot of freaking triangles. Okay, I know it looks like I'm holding up a really weird bagged lunch right now, but I actually have a lot of leftover pyramids, so let me know what I should do with the rest of these. Also, this is only about 1/3 of my leftover pyramids because the rest are all over the floor. Okay, so first problem out of many problems. If you look closely, you may notice holes at the bottom of each pyramid. And that's because my dumb ass actually thought I was going to hand sew all of these. I don't know what I was thinking. I very quickly abandoned that plan after only 1 pyramid. You know what? Screw this whole needle thing. I'm busting out the big guns. But okay, second problem. I don't know why, but I decided to use a really stretchy elastic shirt and leggings for this. So if I try to just like put the pyramids on the fabric by itself, then it's gonna stretch all over the place. So I know what you're thinking. Why not just like use a mannequin? Well, not only do they have the body of someone 30 pounds lighter than me, but also the cheapest one I found is for $77 at Walmart. So instead of sacrificing myself or $77, I'm sacrificing an entire bag of paper cardboard that I've collected over the past year. I just took my body measurements and stuffed this thing full. Obviously, this thing shouldn't really be washed now that it's finished. That would be like putting a thwomp from Mario inside a washing machine. So I don't want to make any marks or guides on this thing because I can't wash it. So I'm literally just winging it and deciding where to place each pyramid on the fly and hoping that it actually looks like a heat map at the end. I have no idea how I'm supposed to start this. I kind of just used my belly button as a reference point and I built out from there. Although I am going to try washing this eventually after it cures for like a week because I did use fabric glue after all, so subscribe to see me put this to the test. Please do not ask to see the back. There's nothing there. I got lazy. Obviously, now that I have this on my body, I'm seeing some major discrepancies. My crotch is right here. But if I go like this, it's not so bad. See, look, I'm just a heat map. I'm not a human, I am a heat map. It would probably help if my pants weren't sagging at the rate of 1 inch per light year. I don't know what that means. Anyways, I don't know, man. What the f— I don't really know what else to say, except that I regret everything.